Hi. This morning I went over Mount Flora. Woke up at 5 o'clock. Started hiking at 6. And I forget what time it was at the top. It was early. Then went down to Berthoud Pass. And this little warming hut there. And then I went up and over Vasquez Peak. And now I'm headed towards some summits that I don't know the name of. I'm going to camp on that ridge and that saddle tonight. It's too far to go to the next water source, and the trail goes along that ridge line for like 7 miles. So I don't really have a choice. But it sounds like there are some wind blocks or sheltered campsites. Yeah. So, yeah, been a rough couple days. I mean, today's better. Yesterday was hard. There was a strong gusty wind blowing all day yesterday. There was no relief or reprieve to be had. It sucked. And it even went on for quite a bit after I had camped early. I think I got to camp at like 7:30. Yeah. The wind has been a lot less constant today, so that's nice. Yeah, Colorado's hard. It's up and down and up and down. Big ups and big downs. Haven't seen any other thru hikers in a while, but talked to a bunch of day hikers today. Again, a few who had never even heard of the CDT. Some sort of structure over there. Some sort of mining facility down there. It's very loud. But over there looks like a big screen for a drive-in movie theater. It's on the side of a mountain, so I don't think that's what it is. Oh, you can kind of see what mining operations have done to that mountain right there. I mean, I assume it's all mining right there in the center. It's like eating out the core of a mountain. You can kind of see the shape of it, the shape of what's missing. Mountaintop mining. I originally planned to be able to go 25 miles a day in the state, and I'm struggling to do like 17. Yeah, cool. It's beautiful. It is beautiful, though. I'm just being, poo-poo emotions. Feeling my feelings. All right. Got a heavy pack of water because it's a dry camp tonight. But it's only 6 miles to go. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.